Hi guys, I'm here today to teach you a little bit about liquid capacity or liquid volume. Today's math lesson is going to be revolving around that. So I have some tools of measurement out in front of me right here. This is a measuring cup, which we will be using today. This is the one that we're going to be using for liquid measurement. Then we have a scale. This is used to measure weight of things. This is a smaller scale used to measure grams. And this is a ruler, so we use the ruler to measure lengths of things. So these are our tools of measurement. Again, we're going to be really focused in on the measuring cup today. So I'm going to take my scale and just put it over to the side for a second. Now I have these two containers in front of me. I'm sure you could tell the difference between the two of them, right? One is very large and one is very small. Now, if I was going to determine how much liquid could fit inside each one of these containers, which tool do you think I would use? Well, we said before, we'd probably use the measuring cup. So we're going to fill this measuring cup up, unscrew the lid, and fill it up with water or whatever liquid I'm going to use, and I would continually dump this in. Now, this is a great exploration activity for you to try today to see how much some of your containers can hold in your house. So you could get a large container, a measuring cup with the numbers on the side, and then determine it, to estimate and then pour in how much do you think it's going to hold. And then again, for the littler cup, try to guess how much either cups or milliliters or ounces would fit into each one. It would be a fun activity for you to try. So the measuring cup is going to be the tool that we use to decide how much goes into it. If we were going to use the ruler, you really couldn't help us decide how much is going to fit inside each one. The ruler could help me measure, how tall the container is. Each one of these I could see, up to the right length here, but it's not going to give me any information about how much it's going to hold. And the last part, we just have two containers here. And this is a little question that's going to come up on the lesson today. So if you imagine I filled this container up with water all the way to the top, would I be able to dump its contents into this container? And you're probably thinking, Mr. McLeod, that would make a huge mess and it would be spilled water all over the table. We'd need to clean it up, right? And you'd be right. So this one, just by looking at it, you could tell it holds more than this container does. Now, if I filled this little container up and if I dump the water into this empty container, that would be okay. It wouldn't fill it up. It would probably just go to a little bit more than where my finger is right now. And I would have to probably fill it up multiple times before it got to the top. Maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 times before that one got to the top of that one. So we could see how some containers hold more, have more capacity, more liquid volume fits into it, and some containers hold less. Okay, good luck with the lesson today, guys.